Just about every business has a database of leads. However, most businesses simply ignore the leads that didn't convert into paying customers or clients due to one reason or another. If you think about it, the majority of leads don't convert, and only a small percentage actually do. That means there are literally hundreds, if not thousands, maybe even tens of thousands, of leads collecting digital dust in most businesses' databases. These leads can easily become found money for most businesses if they knew what to do with them. That's where you come in. Hey there, my name is Kerry Knoll. Unfortunately, all too often these businesses write off these leads and consider them dead. But the reality is they just need to be brought back to life, or to be resuscitated, if you will. So one of the best services you can offer to make money is to offer something called Lead Reactivation A.I. It's super easy to do. Let me show you exactly how it works, step by step, thanks to Dan at Flex Digital.
Hey, Kerry Knoll here from Vegas Tech Group. Thank you so much for tuning into this quick and short video I have for you today. You might be wondering what this message is on your screen. I'm going to explain that here just in a minute. But you're here because you are interested potentially in what we call lead reactivation or database reactivation. So let me explain a little bit more about what's happening. So initially, we have come up with an AI lead reactivation engine in our business to help businesses just like yours bring leads back from the dead. All right. So the first message that goes out, and this is just an example for a solar company, of course, is it would send out an SMS message to your old leads that looks something like this. It might say something like, "Hi, it's Sarah from Sunny Solar. Is this the same Kerry who inquired about solar panels in the last few months?" And then it would, of course, be sent out to the lead via SMS. And then let me hop out of here and show you what happens next. So now let's assume that message was sent out, and I'm going to respond with, "Yes, it is." So now after I send that response, Sarah is going to text me back and say, "Thank goodness, my calendar just pinged me to call, but I didn't want to disturb you. Are you still looking into solar?" Again, this could be any niche or industry or any type of product or service. So then I could respond with something like, "Yes, I'm still interested in solar." And then Sarah is going to respond with something like, "Awesome. To better understand how we can help, could you share what your rough average monthly utility bill is?" And then I could respond with something like, "It's about $400 per month and kind of expensive." Then Sarah's going to respond with, "That does sound on the higher side. The good news is we can definitely help you save on those costs and will beat any market price. Would you like to schedule a call back for more details and see how much you could save?" Now at this point, hopefully the recipient would say yes, and then what we would do is Sarah automatically text message back to the lead a link to book an appointment on your calendar. Right? And that's how most of these conversations will go. It'll be about 2 to 3 messages at most, going back and forth, similar to exactly like you see right here. However, let's just say, for whatever reason, the lead has more questions or wants more information of some sort, or even gets a little temperamental with Sarah. So we might do something like, the recipient might say something like, "Well, do you offer finance or financing?" Something like this. And then Sarah responds, "Yes, we do offer financing options to help make going solar more affordable. An advisor can provide you with all the details and help find the best option for you. Would you like to schedule a call to discuss this further?" Now let's say the user, me, or the recipient, the lead, says something like more about this. It says, "Are there any government rebates available with your solar panels. And Sarah says, an advisor can give you the most up-to-date information on any government rebates available for solar panels in your area. Would you like to schedule a call to learn more about how you can benefit from these rebates? All right. At this point, maybe the user, like I said, gets a little testy or temperamental and kind of wants more information and doesn't feels like he's getting a runaround for some reason or another. And so the user says, stop being so vague with your answers. Tell me what your prices are. And then Sarah will respond, I understand you're looking for specific pricing, and I really wish I could provide those details directly. Since prices can vary based on your unique needs and available rebates, our advisors are better equipped to give you accurate figures. How about we set up a time for a call, and they can get you all the pricing information you're looking for. Okay, good. And then maybe the user at this point says, okay, I understand that's going to happen, but maybe they have one more question, right? So they might have one more question like, I've got a north-facing home or house. Can solar panels be fitted on it? And Sarah responds, absolutely. North-facing roofs are generally great fit for solar panels, especially to maximize sunlight exposure. Our team can assess your specific situation to ensure you get the best installation to meet your energy needs. Would you like to schedule a call to discuss how we can tailor a solar solution for your home? All right, and at this point, if I said yes, and so the lead says yes, to just yes, or yes, I'd like to schedule an appointment, whatever they want to say. Just say yes. Then Sarah should respond with a link to book. Great, here's my calendar for you to book in a time, and there's a link, and this would be text message to the recipient and would be hyperlinked, and they could click on it, and it would take them over to the calendar to book the appointment. All right, then at that point, your sales team or you or whatever would know this is a warm lead, essentially, instead of a cold lead, and would step in and meet with that particular lead, however you want to meet with them, right? In person, over the phone, via Zoom, etc., and then close the sale. So there you have it. That's how our brand new AI lead reactivation engine works and can work for your business just the same as I demonstrated here through this example. Again, this works in any niche and industry, and all you have to do is we have to configure it for your specific needs. So if you have any questions, let me know. Below this video, there should be a calendar option or a button that will open a calendar. Please book an appointment with me as soon as possible to get you started with your lead reactivation for all those dead leads that you could be getting found money just by implementing our lead reactivation engine. I hope you enjoyed this. Talk to you soon.